Imagine this: you sit down at your table, you have the perfect fabric, the perfect thread, you press the pedal, and jam, the thread snaps, the tension is wrong. Your dream project turns into a nightmare. Finding the right sewing machine is the difference between a frustrating hobby and creating absolute masterpieces. But here's the problem: there are hundreds of machines out there, from cheap plastic toys to industrial beasts, and if you pick the wrong one, you are throwing your money away. I've spent the last 2 weeks testing, breaking, and sewing through the top contenders on the market to find the absolute best, from the perfect machine for a beginner learning the stitches to a high-tech beast for professional quilters. We are counting down the top, and trust me, the number one pick might surprise you. Let's dive in. Starting at number 1. Brother CS 7000X 70-stitch computerized sewing machine. During testing, we found the Brother CS 7000X to be the perfect bridge between beginner-friendly and feature-rich. It arrived mostly ready to use, though we had to watch a quick tutorial video to get the self-threading needle just right. Once set up, however, the drop-in bobbin system and intuitive buttons made it easy to get started, even for those of us returning to sewing after a long break. We put it to work making reusable sandwich bags, a project that involved sewing standard cotton and a slippery, waterproof liner. While the slick material needed a quick tension adjustment to hold tight, the machine handled the transition beautifully, producing strong, precise stitches. Value truly sets this model apart. We loved the included accessories, particularly the hard protective case and the wide extension table, which provides ample workspace for maneuvering fabric. With 70 built-in stitches and adjustable speed controls, the machine offers plenty of room to grow without being overwhelming. Number 2. Baby Lock Zest Sewing Machine. I hadn't touched a sewing machine in about 3 years before this test, so I was honestly a little nervous to start again. My previous experience was limited to sewing Christmas stockings on a basic budget machine, so I needed something that wouldn't overwhelm me. The Baby Lock Zest is exactly that. It's incredibly easy to set up. I just plugged it in and started sewing, though I'd have to watch a quick YouTube video to remember to move the thread lever up. Total user error. Once I got going, I used it to make reusable snack bags, a stocking, and change purses. I was impressed by how well the machine handles different textures. It's stitched through soft cotton and a stiff, glittery lining fabric without jamming or struggling. It features a built-in accessory storage compartment, which is helpful for keeping the extra feet and bobbins organized. I also love how lightweight and portable it is. It doesn't come with a hard cover, but the built-in handle makes it super easy to grab and go, which would be perfect if I ever decide to take a sewing class. It has just enough features, including 15 stitches and a free arm for small circular items, to be useful without being complicated. Number 3. Singer 4423 High-Speed Sewing Machine. If you need a machine that prioritizes durability over features, this is the one. We found the Singer Heavy-Duty 4423 High-Speed Sewing Machine to be a reliable, no-frills option. It features a heavy-duty metal frame that feels solid, unlike some cheaper plastic models. We put it to the test with cotton and PUL, a waterproof laminate, for our sandwich bags, and it powered through without issue. The setup only took about 10 minutes, but the automatic needle threader was a bit tricky to use. In fact, we often found it easier to thread the needle manually. However, the top drop-in bobbin was clear and easy to load. With a top speed of 1,100 stitches per minute, it's faster than most standard machines. It lacks the decorative stitch library of computerized models, but for mending, hemming, and basic construction, it's a tough machine that gets the job done. Number 4. Janome Easy to Use Sewing Machine. If you've been holding off on buying a sewing machine because you're worried about confusing instructions or a steep learning curve, the Janome Blue Couture Easy to Use Sewing Machine is the one to get. This setup process is exceptionally clear, with detailed diagrams that allowed us to get everything threaded correctly in less than 10 minutes. The machine features a front-loading bobbin, but unlike older models that leave you guessing, a loading guide in the bobbin area shows you exactly where the thread goes. The machine handled the lightweight cotton and hook and loop tape reusable sandwich and snack bags without any struggle. The 15 built-in stitch options, including straight, zigzag, and heirloom, are plenty for basic projects, and the instruction manual actually explains when to use each one, a major bonus for beginners. While we loved the simplicity, We did note that the reverse lever can sometimes tangle the thread if you aren't careful. Also, the lack of an automatic needle threader means you'll need good eyesight and patience to get set up. So there you have it, the best sewing machines that are actually worth your hard-earned money. Whether you're just starting out or you're a seasoned pro, one of these machines is going to be your new best friend. I know choosing can be tough, so I've made it easy for you. All the links to these machines' current prices and the best deals are waiting for you in the video description below. Don't just take my word for it. Go check them out. If this video helped you save time and money, do me a quick favor and hit that like button. It really helps the channel. And if you want to master your craft, subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss the next review. Got a favorite sewing machine I didn't mention? Tell me about it in the comments. I love hearing from you all. Happy stitching and see you in the next one.